Here's the gala apple, and the peel appears to be shiny and red, and the center is off-white, and it's moist. The texture is hard, crisp, and moist.
So the aroma of the gala apple is fruity and sweet. And the flavor is also sweet and fruity. The consistency was crunchy, hard, and moist.
Here's the pudding, and the pudding appears brown, thick, creamy, and its shape is really undefined. The texture of the pudding is really smooth, creamy, and thick.
So the pudding smells really sweet and chocolatey. And it tasted really chocolatey, sweet, and also bitter. The texture was kind of thick, creamy, and smooth.
So here's a saltine cracker. It is square and it's off-white with a little bit of brown. Looks dry and a little granulated from the salt. And then it also has rough edges. As for its texture, it's crisp, rough, hard, and then it's also thin.
So the cracker smells really bland. And it's salty, floury, and it tasted bland. The consistency was really thin, dry, and really light.
Here is the cheddar cheese. It appears to be orange, square, and smooth. The texture of it is smooth, thin, rubbery, and also limp.
The aroma of the cheese is really mild. And the flavor is really pungent and salty, and the texture of it is thin and smooth. So from left to right, it's granulated sugar, confectioner's sugar, honey, unsalted butter, and pure olive oil. So the first one I'm trying is the granulated sugar. The texture is really fine and gritty, and it tastes sweet. The second one I'm going to try is the confectioner's sugar. This one is really sweet, and the texture of it is fine, and some of it actually clumps together. Third, I'm going to try the honey. The honey is thick and it's sticky or adhesive, and it also tastes sweet at the beginning and then a little bit bitter. fourth is the unsalted butter. The unsalted butter is creamy, smooth, and firm, and it tastes really creamy and bitter. And the last I'll be tasting is the pure olive oil. The pure olive oil, it's thin, watery, and also greasy, and it tastes really bitter.